I'm Ms. Farhat Fatma. Today we are starting our new chapter, reproduction. In our lesson number 1, these are our SLO of this chapter. The first SLO of this chapter is 14.1.1, state the importance of reproduction. And second is 14.1.2, differentiate between sexual and asexual reproduction. Now, first of all, first SLO, importance of reproduction. Reproduction is important for each species because this is the only way for a living being to continue its lineage. Lineage is actually a chain of a species. Ancestors का पता चलता है किसके parents कौन थे, ancestors कौन थे. तो reproduction is very important to find out the lineage or chain of any species. The second importance is that apart from being important for a particular individual, production is also important for the whole ecosystem. पूरे इकोसिस्टम के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है. क्यों? बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स इन मेंटेनिंग अ प्रॉपर बैलेंस अमंग various biotic constituent of the ecosystem also. Moreover, reproduction also facilitate evolution. क्यों? Because variations come. Variation कहते हैं changes को, mutations को. Variations come through reproduction over several generations. Now the second SLO, difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. Look at this slide carefully. The first difference is asexual may involves single organism, while in sexual reproduction involves one or two organisms. The second difference, no production of gamete. जब single organism है तो there is no production of gamete, जबकि sexual reproduction में male and female gametes are produced because two organisms are involved. The third difference, there is no fusion of gametes. जब एक ही organism is responsible to reproduce, तो इसमें there is no fusion of gamete. But in sexual reproduction, it involves fusion of male and female gametes. Number 4, it requires only mitotic division. You have studied in your chapter life cycle mitotic division. But in sexual reproduction, it requires meiotic divisions. Number 5, it produce offspring that are identical. Identical means same to the parent. जबकि in sexual reproduction, offspring will have some characters from male parents and other from female parents. Some characters may not be present in either of the parents. These characters from the ancestors, or some variations appears in sexual reproduction. Number 6, in this chance of genetic variation is only through random mutation. Or we can say that in asexual reproduction, there is very less chances of variation. Variation होती ही नहीं. Identical offsprings are produced. जबकि in sexual reproduction, there is more chance for genetic variation when male and female gametes are fused and new zygote or babies when formed or produced, though variation appears. Number 7, asexual reproduction is not very useful for natural selection in evolution of a species. ये selection, natural selection की theory of evolution you will study in this chapter. But यहाँ पर मैं सिर्फ यही कहूँगी कि natural selection is that कि when nature select any species for the environment. In sexual production is highly useful for the natural selection of a species. 8. It occurs by budding. ये examples हैं. Example: budding, fragmentation, sporulation. While in sexual it occurs due to the pollination and fertilization. These are the differences. Now just come to the introduction of asexual reproduction. There are several ways of asexual reproduction like fission, fragmentation, budding, vegetative propagation, regeneration, spore formation. Today we just complete our first binary fission. As the name indicates, bi means two. When an organism divides into two halves, producing two new cells, it is called binary fission. It is commonly found or occurs in prokaryote, means bacteria. Example: bacteria के साथ साथ amoeba and euglena. In this last slide, the process of binary fission is given in stepwise. Number 1, cell replicates its DNA. You have studied the term replication in cell cycle. Replication or division, or you can say the copy of DNA. The second point, the cytoplasmic membrane elongates, then separating DNA molecules, like in this. ये elongation हुई, and then DNA separate into two halves. The third point, cross wall forms. Wall कैसे बनेगी? Separating wall. This wall is formed by the invagination process. What do you mean by invagination? धसाव और एक wall जो है inward move करेगी, and this inward movement of the membrane is called invagination. Number 4, cross wall form completely. जब मुकम्मल बन जाएगी like a wall, तो it helps to separate these two cells. Number 5, two separate daughter cells are formed. This is all about the binary fission. Thank you, students. In our next class or in our next video, we will study all the asexual ways. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.